Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur French Popcorn. Hello and welcome everybody in French Popcorn. Moi, je m'appelle Honey. My name is Honey, and today it's our session number 11. So, today we're gonna see how we can ask for something in a shop, how we can talk about the prices, how we can interact politely. Okay, are you ready? On attaque, c'est parti. Okay, so let's start with a short dialogue, with a small dialogue. Okay, client. Bonjour, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Vendeur, voilà. Et avec ceci, client, une chocolatine, s'il vous plaît. Ça fait combien? Vendeur, ça fait 3,20 €. Client, voilà, merci. Vendeur, merci, bonne journée. Here we know already plenty of things and many new things we are going to learn today, right? Let's see with the translation. First of all, bonjour, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I would like, okay, I would like a baguette, s'il vous plaît, please. Vendeur, voilà, here it is, here you go. Et avec ceci, and with this, une chocolatine. If you don't know c'est quoi la chocolatine, so that's pain au chocolat, chocolate bread, mais du sud, from south. Et c'est exactement la même. It's exactly the same. So, une chocolatine, s'il vous plaît. Ça fait combien? How much is that? Ça fait combien? How much is that? Vendeur, ça fait 3,20 €. That's 3,20 €. Client, voilà, merci. Here, thank you. Vendeur, seller. Merci, bonne journée. Thank you. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Well, here we have some key phrases to remember. So the first of all, first is je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais. If you remember in the last session also we have done this. This is called conditional and we use this for being polite. Okay. Je voudrais, and then you can just add what you exactly want. Okay. I would like to. Here the sentence is je voudrais une baguette. I would like a baguette. Okay, that's a French traditional bread. If you remember, we have done this already. So, je voudrais une baguette. I would like a bread. Next one is c'est or ça fait combien. That's very important. But see, if you have bought many things, okay, many products together, like I have bought some apples, some bananas, etc., etc., etc. So if you are asking what is the total, right? For that you can ask this question. That's for the total amount or total bill what I have to buy, right? So you can ask c'est or ça fait combien, like c'est combien or ça fait combien, how much is it for, how much is it. We can use verb être, we can use verb faire as well. Both are exactly same, but to ask the total price of different things, remember. Third is to answer this, ça fait or c'est, this is or it makes or that is, okay. So ça fait or c'est 3,20 €. It is 3,20 €. Next question, it's very much common in France. Like if you are going to buy something in France, for to buy a product or to buy anything, okay. So the salesperson, they are going to ask you, and with this, anything else? Okay, do you like something else? So for that, the question is, et avec ceci, anything else? And with this, voila. You know this one, right? Okay, so it's like there you go. Here it is. Here you go. Voila. The last one is merci, bonjour, thank you, have a nice day. Here, do not get confused with bonjour and bonjourne. Bonjour is like hello, good morning, okay, to greet someone. And bonjourne is for have a nice day, have a good day for the remaining day you are wishing person, okay? So bonjour when you are meeting and like you are departing, then you can say bonjourne, right? I hope you got everything here. We have now some questions to practice. Okay, so first of all is first question is combien ça coûte? It can be ça coûte combien as well. Combien ça coûte combien, right? And this you can ask when you want to ask the price of any product. Okay, so this question can be asked. To answer, it can be simply the amount like 10 euros, 20 euros, 30 euros, etc. It can be say c'est 30 euros or ça coûte 30 euros. Like it makes or the price is okay. So answer can be simply with the number. It can be with say 20 euros, say 30 euros, etc. Or it can be like ça coûte plus the number, the amount. But remember to ask the products like different products amount, right? If you want to ask the total amount, like I bought this, and now I want to ask what is the total amount, what is the total price. For that, the question is that we have done in the dialogue as well, right? So ça fait or c'est ça fait combien or c'est combien? How much is the total? So we can use être and we can use faire verb as well. To answer, c'est or ça fait, par exemple, c'est 10 euros, c'est 20 euros, c'est 30 euros, or ça fait 30 euros, etc., etc., right? But for the total amount. Third question, A avec ceci, something else that is very important again in France. If you are buying something and the vendor, the shopkeeper is asking with it or anything else, do if you want, right? So A avec ceci. If you don't want to buy anything else, you can say rien, merci, rien, nothing, okay, nothing, rien, merci, nothing, thank you. Super magnifique, amazing work. Now, this is my favorite part, live exercise. We love these ones because you have to practice, understand how the language works later. You have plenty of exercise on the PDF. You can find on the Telegram group to really improve your skills and to know more vocabulary, more grammar, more questions, more everything. Okay. Now, here a very complicated exercise fill in the blanks using these words. Okay. We have the words voudrais, combien, merci, voilà, and fait. This is the first one. Je blank une baguette. Second one, ça blank 2 euros, 2 euros, ça, blank, 2 euros. So in total, we have 5 sentences, right? They are not connected one to another. You have to fill these sentences with the given words only. The third one is say blank. Say blank, question mark. Okay, next is just blank. And the last one is blank, beaucoup. Okay, I hope you are done with the answers. So let's see. Let's look at the answers all together. First is je voudrais une baguette. I would like. Je voudrais une baguette. Second one, ça fait. Ça fait 2 euros. Ça fait 2 euros. Third one, c'est combien? C'est combien? What's the cost? What's the price? C'est combien? Okay. Fourth one is voilà, voilà. The last one here is merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Second exercise now. So you have to just translate the sentences into French, right? You can write your answers in the comment box as well. So first sentence for you is I would like a baguette. I would like a baguette. Second one, how much is it? How much is it? Third one, that's 3 euros. That is 3 euros. Fourth is here you go. Here you go. Here you go. And the fifth one is thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Voila. Now what? Like always, go to the Telegram group, download the PDF, do all the exercise, write something in the group. Okay, maybe the question we saw today, try to invent a dialogue and share it by writing in the group or just record yourself doing the dialogue and share it with the group as well. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I see you for the next session. Salut, bonjour.